How does these two differ from each other?
See, basically, if I talk about homeschooling, so homeschooling is generally parent-led schooling, wherein the more of the responsibility is on the parent, right? Or the family or the relatives. So everything the parent has to take care about this. But when I talk about online schooling, so it is a proper structured schooling with certified teacher, with recognitions, with holistic development of the children.
I love using anything that's make them smile and learn at the same time. And I use colorful PPTs with the sound, cute animations, and fun props.
So not just virtual labs, not just STEM kit activities, we also have a sustainable development goals activities. We have our skills mantra where the students are learning different skills according to their subjects, design, technology, innovation, everything.
In online, this is the best part that there is no backbencher. All are the front benchers.
MUN, are you seriously talking about that? Because I've always seen that happening in the premises of the schools, those large, in compounds and all. Hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast, and today we have a fleet of facilitators from the world of online teaching. Yes, you heard it right. It is the world of online teaching, the real teaching that happens, and these facilitators are from the very famous online school that is the Class of One. So welcome facilitators, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you.
Today we'll be having a little bit of interaction with them and trying to know the insight into their world. Let's start with them. So, Vibha ma'am, starting with you. A little bit of your introduction and then we'll carry it forward.
So, hi everyone, I am Vibha Mishra and I'm an online facilitator. I teach pre-primary and primary grades, and I had a good experience working in regular school. But nowadays, I'm truly enjoying my journey in the Class of One as an academy coordinator. And thank you so much, Neha ma'am, for having me here today. And it's my pleasure to be here and share my all experience with you all.
Welcome, ma'am. Vibha ma'am, why online?
Why online? I started online teaching with the Class of One when online classes or digital classes are were big in need, and my daughter was just 3 months old. तो मैंने सोचा let's try this, एक बार start करते हैं और जब तक होगा ठीक है, उसके बाद physical school में switch कर लेंगे. But I am here, and 4 years later I'm still loving it. So the Class of One has given me flexibility, joy, and a connection with my students. So it's a beautiful part of my life.
Wow, ma'am. Neha ma'am, what's your journey behind joining the online world of education?
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Arora. So I'm an experienced educator with experience of having academic coordination, curriculum planning, and inclusive education. So basically, I am from the IT background and have done masters in education. So I was always looking for a model wherein I can blend my IT skills along with the education. So I think this is the best model. I found out that online digital schools, it's a global school, online school, wherein the IT skills and education go hand in hand. So I think that was the best opportunity I could have ever gone through, and can look for more adventures in this. So that's why I just joined online school.
Wow, ma'am. That's a dream come true kind of
Exactly.
job. Great. Moving to Kriti ma'am. Kriti ma'am, what drove you towards this journey?
So hello everyone, I am Kriti and I'm the academic coordinator of the middle wing here at the Class of One. And I've been a mathematics teacher for the past 10 years now. And what drove me behind joining this school, the online platform, the online school is, I have worked in physical schools before. Then I shifted to edtech companies. And one day I was scrolling through LinkedIn platform and I saw a vacancy of the Class of One Global Online School. And I was just curious that an online school, we have just heard that it's a physical school we know about, right? But it is an online school, so why not? So, and I'm always open to new opportunities. I did apply, I got selected, and it is my 4th year here at this wonderful organization, and I'm loving it.
Wow, ma'am, that's truly like getting an insight into what actually is this online. And with your experiences, I think I would be able to get more into it. Okay, again, moving back towards Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am, look, if I tell you, I've always heard about this term called as homeschooling. But the term that you are using, that is online learning or online schooling, that is entirely a different concept. So how does these two differ from each other?
See, basically, if I talk about homeschooling, so homeschooling is generally parent-led schooling, wherein the more of the responsibility is on the parent, right, or the family, or the relatives. So everything the parent has to take care about this. But when I talk about online schooling, so it is a proper structured schooling with certified teacher, with recognitions, with the holistic development of the children. If I say, यहाँ सब सिखाया जाता है, co-curriculars, curriculars, sports, everything you can think of in a physical school. So it's a proper structured curriculum. So the parent do not need to worry about कि उसको English आज सिर्फ English कराना है या सिर्फ science में कितना कराना है, right? So everything is to be taken care by the school itself. So this is actually the structured school, right? So that's online school. Homeschool is parent-led school.
Okay, so means that it is a proper kind of regular school only, which we all have gone to.
Exactly.
Just online, on screen. Okay, great. So Vibha ma'am, because you are taking care of these tiny tots, how you are incorporating this structured curriculum into the account?
For my little ones, I love using anything that's make them smile and learn at the same time. And I use colorful PPTs with the sound, cute animations, and fun props. And कभी कभी टीचर्स टेडी बन जाते हैं और क्लासेस में puppets आ जाते हैं. Storytelling and rhymes are my magical tools. Learning letters with dancing, counting with the clapping game. I also use YouTube videos for action songs and whiteboard for dragging and dropping games. And yes, we do we are working on writing skills. We do patterns, we do tracing, and practice writing letters, राइटिंग स्मॉल वर्ड्स. बच्चों को हम लिखने के मतलब ड्रॉ करने के साथ साथ लिखने के लिए भी बोलते हैं. लाइक जब भी वो दे आर राइट ड्रॉइंग समथिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक इट कैट. जब वो कैट ड्रॉ करते हैं सो वो उसको लेबल करते हैं CAT कैट. तो स्टोरी टाइम्स एंड राइम्स वी आर यूजिंग फॉर राइटिंग, टीचिंग राइटिंग स्किल्स. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब गेम्स लर्निंग गेम्स बन जाता है तो बच्चे अपने आप में इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं. तो this is so I just use tech with love and energy, or that is the real magic.
Wow, ma'am, that's really an insightful journey. Kriti ma'am, your magic into the world of this middle wing.
Exactly. So as we know, the primary wing, when they come to middle wing, it's a huge shift in their curriculum.
Absolutely.
Right? So where the students in the middle wing will learn the concept in a very basic, like they will understand the concept in a clear and a proper manner, and we teachers have the responsibility to do that. And what are we using in an online school is, we have virtual labs where we are teaching the important subjects like science, mathematics, social studies, using the virtual experiments. We have STEM kit activities where they're learning the important concepts using hands-on activities that we have. So just imagine a teacher is there, students are there, we have that screen, and the teacher is also performing the STEM kit activity. Let's say a fraction kit, right?
Okay.
Where they are explaining the basics of fraction. And the students also have their STEM kit. And in the real time, the teacher is performing, the student is performing, and they have the screen in between them. But still, you are experiencing the hands-on learning. It's an experiential learning. So not just virtual labs, not just STEM kit activities, we also have a sustainable development goals activities. We have our skills mantra where the students are learning different skills according to their subjects, design, technology, innovation, everything.
Wow, so many tools. It's like a full amalgamation of any tool that we can think about.
Actually.
Exactly. Yes.
That's really commendable, guys. Okay, this brings to me my next set of question. Magic is happening. A lot is taking place into your classrooms. So now comes another question. Okay, like you are incorporating so many of the methods, these methodologies incorporated by the government itself, like SDGs you talked about, into the classrooms. But how are you integrating this learning with the seniors specifically, ma'am?
See, if I talk about seniors, so generally seniors are more career oriented.
Absolutely.
Right? Or they are more towards their passion. So to hold on to studies is not the main focus for them. What actually they want is they want to do their academics along with the career preparation, because वो transforming age होता है उनके लिए into an adult, of course. बहुत सारे changes हो रहे हैं वहाँ पर.
Correct.
So उनको वहाँ से उनको flexibility देना, maybe that anywhere they can learn from. Moreover, flexibility of subjects. उनको subjects की flexibility, which is actually towards, which can actually help them for their career, right? So वो subjects लेना जो उनके career के लिए help करे, उनके passion के लिए help करे. तो flexibility of subjects, flexibility to learn from anywhere. Sports persons हैं हमारे, उनके tournaments होते हैं, musicians हैं, उनके concerts होते हैं. So they should not miss on their studies while going through all this.
Correct.
Right? So many students, those who are preparing for NEET, JEE, many competitive exams, तो उनके लिए competitive exams की preparation कराना. Right? So these are the magic things happening in an online school. Not only preparation. Nowadays हमारे पास career के लिए कुछ limited scope नहीं रह गए हैं, है ना? There are n number of scope coming up in the market, which are not explored by everyone. उसको उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन देना, वहाँ तक वो इंफॉर्मेशन पहुँचाना, करियर काउंसलिंग्स कराना रेगुलरली इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्लास ऑफ वन जर्नी. सो द क्लास ऑफ वन कीप्स दिस इन माइंड कि उनको टाइम टू टाइम न्यू करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बारे में अपडेट करना, विच इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. करियर इज नॉट लिमिटेड दैट 4-5 ऑप्शंस जो हमारे टाइम में हमें पता होते थे और हमें सिर्फ उन्हीं में से चूज करना होता था.
Absolutely. और वो limited number of subjects also.
And with higher competition level, stress level कितना होता है यार.
True.
बच्चों के ऊपर स्पेशली कि वो उस एज में जहाँ वो एंजॉय भी करना चाह रहे हैं और साथ साथ अपने करियर पे भी उन्हें फोकस करना है. सो वो करियर काउंसलिंग्स कराना, उनको हेल्प करना कि वो सेटल होकर आगे के लिए भी फोकस कर सके. सो दैट इज द मैजिक हैपनिंग इन द क्लास ऑफ वन ऑनलाइन स्कूल.
Wow, ma'am. You talked about that they have that flexi, kind of approach towards the subjects that they can choose. But as far as I know, in regular schools, this is not there. So how come you are able to provide that?
See, for seniors, we are having an option of NIOS and UK curriculum board for my children. Right?
Okay.
For our students, we are offering 2 boards. So in दोनों ही boards में बहुत variety of subjects offer किए जाते हैं. So as per their convenience, जो उनके further career के लिए help करे, वो अपने subjects को choose कर सकते हैं. Plus the best part is कि वो वहाँ पर जहाँ वो हैं, to anywhere pan India or across the world, जो एग्जाम्स होंगे उनके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स वो उन्हीं के विसिनिटी के अराउंड होंगे. सो दे डोंट नीड टू ट्रेवल अ लॉट टू कम टू माय स्कूल टू गिव देन एग्जाम. सो दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग wherever they are giving the exam wherever they are. So that's the beauty of NIOS and UK board, which is an affiliated board. So the class of one also offers this UK board facility to the students.
That means you are offering basically 2 boards. One
NIOS
being international and one is another, this
the
Indian
Pearson
board.
curriculum, correct.
Wow. So, Ma'am, you were talking about these NIOS students, the students getting enrolled into this assessment system and the flexibility of the subjects, to be specific. Along with that flexibility of the subjects, you said that they can give the exams near to their vicinity only. And these are not online exams. So now the students that are there, I'm talking specifically about those career-oriented students who are not like, those traditional careers.
Exactly.
What about them?
So, if I'm not wrong, you're talking about specifically for sports persons or
Absolutely.
musicians or with these kind of artists, basically.
Correct.
So, they do have their tournaments, their concerts time to time, and sometimes they miss on their exams. So, here we offer NIOS that I have already discussed. So, at NIOS, they can give throughout the year exam whenever they are available.
Oh,
So that is the beauty and that is the reason why we have offered them NIOS, because through NIOS they have the flexibility to choose in which month and on which date they want to give the exam. They are available and they are ready with their curriculum. They are ready to give the exams.
all right. So that's, I think, would be the best part of it, because we were supposed to give exam then and there and every time, because I had this ICSE board and they used to had the exam specifically on the festivals.
Exactly. So here we have the flexibility of dates as well to choose when they are ready, when they are prepared for the examination.
So Vibha ma'am, the question flows back to you. Like ma'am said that they have two different kind of curriculums that they are following and the students are getting benefit because of that. So what about this primary and the pre-primary wing? What kind of curriculum are you following?
As I have said, like we are, we use PPTs, colorful PPTs and videos, cute animations. So yes, we have a structured OA curriculum, that is Oxford Advantage curriculum. So in that particular curriculum, we have, animations, because बच्चे they are very small, है ना, उनको
Absolutely.
बिठाना, उनको उनका distraction खत्म करने के लिए we need it. तो उसमें बहुत सारे cute animations, videos है, games है, quizzes है. Yes, so we are using Oxford Advantage curriculum for that, for our
Wow.
pre-primary kids.
So again, the curriculum and everything is working really beautiful for you guys. But what about that emotional, social well-being of the students? How is that being incorporated?
In the world of learning, learning classes, yes, connection or creating a social emotional connection with our little learners is, truly matters. So for that, because they are very small, बहुत सारे emotions हैं और बहुत, energies हैं. So what we are doing, we start our day with beautiful smile and greetings. Good morning, my shining stars. How are you? And we celebrate. I'm happy, I'm sad, I am, मैं अपने friend को miss कर रही हूँ. तो हम उन्हें सुनते हैं और उन्हें समझते हैं. And we try to understand them, and accordingly हम उन्हें guide करते हैं कैसे react करना है. It's a happy feeling, ये sad feeling है, ये excitement है. So because they are very small, they are trying to understand. और बस यही है कि उनको social emotional connection, एक बार पेरेंट ने बोला भी था मुझे कि कैसे बॉन्डिंग होती है ऑनलाइन में, तो मैंने उन्हें यही बोला कि आप दोस्ती कर लेते हो ऑनलाइन, तो बचपन में क्यों नहीं हो सकती. तो इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट कनेक्शन, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी रियल.
And moreover, the kids are there, so they get used to the world very quickly. They are tech friendly kids nowadays.
Actually.
Absolutely, ma'am. Kriti ma'am, how is this connect being built up in the upcoming adults with you?
So basically in middle wing, as Vibha ma'am has already said, that we start our classes with our morning meetings, right? So in middle wing, we have our morning meetings, which include the 21st century skills, where we have activities based on developing the students' skills in different fields. We are making them, like, we are giving them a holistic approach to the entire development, not just academics, but also making them ready for being a global citizen. So as in our online school, we have students from all over the world, right? During these morning meetings, these students connect with each other. There is a cultural exchange. We are celebrating national festivals, national days, international days, and students are learning about each other, different cultures. Not just this, like in before starting our academics, in our morning meetings, when we are conducting these activities, students express their views, their opinions. They are learning that what are the important topics that are going on all over the world. We have News Ahoot, where they are learning about the global affairs. So just not like we are focusing on them to make a better global citizen. So in middle wing, we are preparing them to become responsible citizens.
So our young adults, they are, into great hands.
Actually.
That I can absolutely see. But, ma'am, a little bit of a question that is, uh, coming as a curiosity to me. I, as a person, is like a little distracted very easily. Kids are normally very easily distracted. So, how are you handling those distractions in your classes?
I keep things snappy and fun, and I move quickly to the lesson. So there is no time to get bored. और बीच में हम चेक इन्स भी करते हैं, थम्स अप करो इफ़ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, थम डाउन, और राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ एंड इन बिटवीन इफ समवन इज वंडरिंग, तो वी कॉल देयर नेम इन अ प्लेफुल वे, वेयर आर यू आरव, आई कांट सी आरव, लाइक दिस. एंड येस, जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट एनर्जी and keeping vibe positive and engaging. So all are on focus.
Wow. So, the learning becomes fun.
Fun.
Exactly.
Yes.
And, ma'am, how do you incorporate, this learning techniques into the classrooms of the seniors? Seniors have wide focus.
See, seniors, if I talk about, they always have a tendency to hide themselves. In a class of 40 to 45, जहाँ पर वो बैक बेंचर्स होते हैं और they tends to hide themselves कि मुझे आंसर ना करना पड़े और गलती से भी मैम मुझसे ना पूछ लें.
True.
Right. So in online, this is the best part, that there is no backbencher. All are the front benchers.
Actually.
सामने है स्क्रीन में सब मैम के, and everybody have to answer. So यहाँ से सिर्फ इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट आंसरिंग, यहाँ से उनका जो सोशल इमोशनल कनेक्ट बिल्ड होता है टीचर्स के साथ, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. सो क्योंकि अगेन द सीनियर्स आर सिटिंग फार अवे फ्रॉम द टीचर, बट दैट कनेक्ट नीड्स टू बी बिल्ड. सो वो कनेक्ट बनाने के लिए we want answers from everyone, and not only answers, we want them to participate in different programs. As in, if I talk about, we have many type of celebration. Let's be annual day, sports day, MUNs, and
1
picnics.
second, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt in between. MUN, are you seriously talking about that?
Ji.
Because I've always seen that happening in the premises of the schools, those large, in compounds and all.
Right. So MUN, actually the Model United Nation जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं. So actually ऐसे ही होता है. The participants come from the school जो nearby 10 to 15 kilometers के vicinity से students आते हैं, discuss about the issue. But think about a global MUN. It's a global online school. The students are actually from the country they are representing. Whatever issue they are discussing is actually the real issue they are facing. और कोई भी अपने जब तक आप उसे फेस नहीं करते, you cannot express it. So whatever the country, their country is facing, so all are the real issues and all are the real solutions they are coming up with. And believe me, आजकल की generation actually coming up with wonderful solutions. They have a different mindset all over, right? So global MUN, think about one sitting in Japan, another sitting in Korea, another sitting in America, one in India, and all are talking about the issues they are facing in their countries. So that's about global MUN. There, how we maintain that connection between the kids, right? So जैसे मैम भी कह रहे थे, friends online बनाना easy है, वैसे ही ये model or United Nation is also very easy in online.
Wow, ma'am. Seriously, this is a game changer kind of thing. So this world is really evolving. All right. Moving back to Vibha ma'am, handling tiny tots, so many questions would be coming to you. Another question, another thing, physical touch. We had that connect with our teachers. So although you have a little bit of, given an insight into it, but specifically what about that physical touch? Isn't that missing?
I don't think so. Like here, it is missing because as I'm saying, I always use that word. Like all we are doing here is in fun way. So daily we have something like circle time and music period, yoga sessions, and we are doing everything. And yes, apart from this, we had our carnivals also. Just let me tell you, like, just we had our third carnival, school
Carnival?
carnival, yes, where parents, they joined, this they participated, and they made a beautiful memories with their children. So it is not about only academics. Fun bhi bahut zaruri hai, so we are doing.
Well said, ma'am. Okay, so Kriti ma'am, what about these students as they are coming from different backgrounds, as you have already mentioned? So how is their learning being connected at one particular place?
So basically, we have subjects where we do interactivities or group projects or presentation, and students, we give the assignments to the students to work on a common objective. So that is how they, during the classes or after the classes, they work with the different ideas to achieve that same objective. So we follow the integrated learning approach, where if we have different subjects, different ideas, but when we are working towards a common goal, we can work on that. So that is how we integrate learning into our classes as well. So if a student is studying in, like suppose in India, the other one is in Middle East, but still we have given a common goal, a common object to do. Like for example, in a maths project, if they have to work on algebra, that how algebra is applicable in real life, right? So the student in India will have his own idea how to put into, the student in UAE will have his own idea how to work on that project. But since they will work together, because we give time to work on these group projects as well. It is not just academic classes, not just co-curricular activities which are really fun, but we also focus on how to make students to work as a team. So we follow these projects, presentations, student-led teaching, flipped classroom, everything in an online environment. So just imagine.
Really hard to. I think I have to witness it now myself.
And I'll tell you one thing, students really enjoy doing this. Because
Indeed.
academics is there. Everybody knows academics is there. But what is more different from academics is we have to make the students learn how to apply in their life.
Absolutely. That
Right.
real life application is missing.
Actually.
Exactly.
Me and my friends always keep on
So it is not
talking.
just that we are in an online school, so we are just studying academics. No, not at all. We have a structured curriculum, as Neha ma'am told earlier as well. And it is a well-designed structured curriculum where we are making a student to incorporate all the skills that they require to survive in this AI upcoming era.
Very true, ma'am. Talking, as you have told, a lot of USPs, talking about the USPs now, the USPs of primary and the pre-primary being, ma'am.
So, at the class of one, we believe like education is not just about ABC and 1, 2, 3. It is all about, it is also about growing, responsible, aware, and kind citizens of tomorrow. So that's why we have integrated SDGs based learning in our online curriculum. अब आप पूछोगे SDGs online में हो भी सकता है? तो yes, जैसे नेहा मैम and कृति मैम और I said yes, all in fun way. We pick one SDGs, whether it is climate, it is about climate, whether it is about, clear water, energy saving. So, and we make activities, age appropriate activities around it. Or बच्चे junior kids, they may read stories, Neelu saves water, and seniors, they make PPTs on Canva. हम सर्कल टाइम्स में भी आस्क कि अगर आपके पास कुछ मैजिक हो तो और पॉल्यूशन को साफ करना हो तो आप क्या करोगे. तो वो सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, वो सोचते हैं, उसे समझते हैं और अकॉर्डिंगली एक्शंस लेना सीखते हैं. Because SDGs are not lessons, they are seeds.
True.
Yes, they are seeds of responsibility, and they are seeds of awareness. So we are growing, actually, I can say climate
Warriors.
peace builders and thoughtful leaders, and we are planting every week. तो
Wow, man.
ऑनलाइन में भी और ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन, तो सोच तो सस्टेनेबल ही होनी चाहिए, राइट नेहा मैम?
Correct. Exactly.
I can say that you are bringing up with true responsible citizens that actually this world requires. So, Neha ma'am, now to you. Now, because, as ma'am has already told, that because of the various backgrounds that the students have, there is one more thing that I need to figure out. That is the language. In India we have seen people speaking so much of diverse languages. How do you incorporate that in your classes?
See, as per अब तो NEP भी and NCF के according भी, we need to teach the students whatever language they know, right? So, as it's an online school, so we have students from remote areas as well. So, it's a benefit for them that they can learn from anywhere they are. Pan India, we have the students. Of course, as you mentioned, language barrier hai, but not here actually, because we offer many regional languages and foreign languages to the student.
Oh.
Maybe Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu. The list is long, of course. So we offer mostly all the language, Punjabi, Marathi. So जिस भाषा में कहो हम उस भाषा में बात करेंगे, लेकिन पढ़ाएंगे आपको. So of course, regional languages we do offer foreign languages to the students. So we are not keeping it to that circle itself. So German, Arabic, French, Spanish, many languages for foreign languages options are of course there for them to learn. So this is how we break this barrier and keep the learning going on.
And you cannot believe I also have enrolled here for one language.
No, actually,
I think I can also.
Even many of our teachers, like who know only Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, they have enrolled here to learn Hindi, because generally Hindi is spoken by most of the people, not
Absolutely.
everyone. So many teachers have enrolled for spoken Hindi, spoken English. So class of 1 में सारी languages बोलना पढ़ना सिखाया जाता है. So you are most welcome.
Thankfully, age is not the barrier.
Actually,
Neha ma'am, earlier in that question you were talking about inclusive education. Will you like to throw some light on that inclusive education term?
Exactly. So basically, if I talk about education, see, education is a right for everyone, right to education.
True.
And talking about quality education, sitting in a metropolitan cities with good schools nearby is actually a normal thing. But when you comes to remote areas, village areas, when I say that we have the students from Pan India, so for them getting good quality education is again a thing which they are lagging for, right? So quality education giving to all the children sitting at the remote area is again a blessing for in the form of online schooling. Moreover, to the children with special needs, those are not able to settle with that physical environment in a class of 40 or 50 students. So they can also access that quality education sitting at their comfort from the home. Right. So again, for them, the education should not stop. The learning should not stop. Right. So there are many students in our school at the class of 1 who are getting the education from their home and doing wonders in their life.
Anyone do. That guidance is all that we require, right? So that's really commendable that you are providing that education to those students who crave for it,
Exactly.
because they're not getting it. Great, ma'am. And what about, I am particularly right now talking about students who are basically maybe ill or have any other difficulties, because I've seen a lot of students in our metropolitan cities now who are at home many a times, not able to go to the school.
Pollution holidays is now a new normal.
Very new thing.
So basically what happens is कि pollution holidays से physical schools में online classes होती हैं, but the teachers are not trained enough for that, right? Like in an online school, they are being properly trained to take classes for online. सो वहाँ पर पोल्यूशन हो और XYZ रीजंस, नाउ देयर आर N, सो किसी भी रीजन से क्लासेस बंद नहीं होंगी, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा. एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट द पेरेंट्स आर लर्निंग अबाउट, दैट द क्लासेस आर रेगुलर and learning should not stop again at all because of any reason now.
See, when we were a kid or I was a kid, so if you have you don't want to go to school, तो आप पेट का with a stomach ache and I'll not
Very
go to school.
normal.
Very normal, very normal. But here in our online school, even the student has a mild fever, still they attend classes, and it's because they will tell, "Ma'am, I'm not feeling well, but I will attend class." So it's a huge, thing that key students with their own interest are attending classes. They're not missing out the lessons as well. Because we teachers in our school, we revise the concept first in the next class and then we continue with the topic. Because we follow a lesson plan. And that lesson plan is structured that start the class with the previous knowledge of the session that you had, teach the current topic and then end it with you can say a quiz or a homework given to the student. So even the student, first of all, if the student is ill, still they have the interest to attend our sessions because our sessions are interactive
Actually.
to the core. And if they miss also, they don't miss. Because we also conduct our remedial classes on Saturdays. So these remedial classes are basically students who missed out on a topic due to any XYZ reason, or the new admissions have joined in our school and they have missed the previous topics. We conduct these remedial classes on Saturdays so that there is no gap between the previous topic learned and the new topic to be taught.
तो एक्चुअली प्रेशर में नहीं, वो इंटरेस्ट लेके पढ़ती है
Exactly.
एक्चुअली, मतलब इंजॉय, दे आर इंजॉइंग.
और जब हमारा पेट दर्द का बहाना नहीं चलता था तो लास्ट ऑप्शन रहता था, भगवान जी
बारिश
करवा दो. देखो सबने एक साथ बोला.
यहाँ पे बारिश वाला रीजन भी नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि यू जस्ट नीड अ लैपटॉप एंड अ वाईफाई एंड नाउ एवरीबॉडी नोज बारिश भी हो तब भी वाईफाई चलता है.
आराम से चलता है. इंडिया में तो वैसे भी डिजिटल is a thing. It is being talked about all over the world nowadays.
Actually.
All right. Okay. So, moving to the major part of it now, assessments.
Yes, correct.
Physical
Right.
school mein, we all know that a lot of assessments are being taken. So, are the assessments real?
Of course, it is real. It is transparent, first of all, because as it is an online school, so we have our class all in recordings mode. So the student cannot even think to, have their own ideas of mischief while doing the examination. Because as you know, we have all studied in physical schools and many of our friends were mischievous. Right? During the exam, they have not prepared, but they will they'll try to do something like that. But here in an online school, the classes are being recorded. The teacher is not just one teacher. We have multiple teachers, 2 to 3 teachers monitoring the examinations. So first of all, it is a transparent, it is recorded. And second of all, since it is a structured curriculum, we also have a structured assessment scheme. So we have our formative assessments, we do have our summative assessments. So apart from formative assessment and summative assessments, which judge the students' skills in different subjects, so we do not want to, just burden the student, just focus on the academics. No. We also assess their presentation-led projects where they are improve. Like we see that how they are communicating. Communication skill is one of the most important skill the student should learn. Because if you know maths, if you know English, but if you are not able to communicate the topic to the world, then what is the use of that knowledge? True. Right? So apart from formative or summative, we have these projects, portfolios, and we also have internal assessments because we focus on homework and classwork participation a lot. Because everybody knows homework is important for a student to grow. Because whatever a teacher is teaching during class, the student should remember, go back at home, do the work and submit it. So we place importance on homework submission as well. So that is also counted in assessments.
Wow, तो ये तो बिल्कुल seriously जैसे
It's
I
an
used to give the
all-round
exam.
assessment. It's not just that the student will come and will just tick maths exam done, English exam done, science exam done. No.
नहीं, full exam देने पड़ेंगे.
एग्जाम देने पड़ेंगे. आप क्लास में भी कैसे हो, आप घर में होमवर्क कर रहे हो कि नहीं, क्या आपको अच्छी तरीके से अपना जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया प्रेजेंट करना आता है कि नहीं. सो अगर आता भी नहीं हो, वी आर देयर,
To help
teachers
out.
are there to help them. We give them chances, we give them opportunities. Not just teachers, we have peer learning also, peer based learning, where we allot different topics to a group and the group presents them. Or if I say, when I am teaching maths in class 8 and I've explained the topic, right? Now again a student asks ki, ma'am, I did not understand how you did this factorization. So I tell the other student, you explain it to him please, can you explain? So we see that the first student, did she understand the topic completely or not? She understood, is she is able to communicate it properly or not? So it is not just teacher-led approach in our school. Not at all. It is a student-centered approach in our online school that we follow.
Beautiful, ma'am. Like, you know, every student would be very cautious throughout. मैम ने मुझसे पूछ लिया तो.
और मैम सबसे पूछेंगी, जैसे नेहा मैम ने बोला है, all are front benchers in our school, no back bencher.
Great, ma'am. Great. Vibha, ma'am, tiny dots.
Assessment is super important for our pre-primary kids. जैसे कि ट्रेजर हंट में होता है. और yes, we are not testing actually, we are discovering. We want to find out like what they actually know, and and then we try to find out like what next exciting excited things they are ready to learn. So ये सब हम सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन के थ्रू करते हैं.
Okay.
we do through observation only. Story time होता है, music sessions होते हैं, art classes होती है, dance classes होती है, like how to follow instruction. Okay, चलो crayons उठाओ and draw sun. Okay, how to react, clapping करना, dancing करना, singing करना along with joy. Pencil hold कैसे करते हैं और cut with scissors. उनके रिएक्शंस को भी वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग. सिर्फ हम ये चीज़ें ही नहीं, कैसे हैप्पी, सैड और ये सारी चीज़ें हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर नोटिसिंग. हम सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन के बेसिस पे वी आर गिविंग मार्क्स और ग्रेड्स टू प्री प्राइमरी किड्स. एंड इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, बिकॉज एज आई सेड आई एम डीलिंग विद प्री प्राइमरी एंड प्राइमरी किड्स. सो प्री प्राइमरी में वी आर नॉट टेस्टिंग. assessments are not test. They are gentle and joyful check-ins. That's it. And if I'm talking about primary kids, yes, we have, as ma'am said, we have structured assessment pattern that include formative assessment and summative assessment. So formative FAs are done regular intervals, and just to check-ins how the child well doing during the term. And after FAs we are conducting essays, and they are proper exam. And we have a proper examination जैसे स्केड्यूल होता है ना फॉर द किड्स, और वो उसी को देखे, जैसे डेट शीट होती है. सो वी हैव दैट, तो वो फॉलो करते हैं. दे हैव मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्सो. तो आर असेसमेंट सिस्टम बेसिकली बैलेंस academic progress with student academic with student progress. Because we believe like every child gets chance to shine.
So true. And should be there actually. Always. Neha ma'am, talking about the seniors, like I know that can understand that they are working towards building up their future, and you said that they are running through the NIOS, the UK curriculum. What about the assessments with those kids?
See, as I have already mentioned earlier, that they people are going for their careers for competitive exam. So just pen and paper test with the same set of questions जो book में होते हैं will not work for them.
Absolutely.
Right? So there we need a question paper where they can apply their real life knowledge. Moreover, cheating भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. As simple as that. So there we have that application based questions, real life based questions, where they need to first think about like how they are gonna solve this फिर उसके बाद वो उसका solution करेंगे. One, plus we do have softwares with our company wherein the eye movement can also be detected. So
Oh,
there is
you
no
cannot shift.
Exactly. You cannot shift to any other people. You cannot shift to any other notebook. So, of course, that eye movement detection software is also there for examinations. So, we have a proper management system for this exam. Like for how this exam, we have Google Forms for this real life applications. Then pen and paper, of course, there. Questions are real life based. And with that software, so the examination process is totally fair. No other options for them. Simple.
And what about the board exams?
Yeah, if I talk about board exams, so as I mentioned earlier as well, so wherever they are, they can give the board exams within the vicinity of their area. So
Okay.
at the class of 1, we help them with the complete process, starting from the registration with selection of subject, selection of center where they want to give the exams, to prepare for practical files, to prepare for practical examinations, assignments, board assignments, everything. We handhold them at each and every step at the class of 1 for seniors.
Alright.
So they, I don't think, face any problem for going for their board exams.
That's really commendable, ma'am, because that is one very particular thing, which every parent is very concerned about, specifically when the child reaches those crucial 10th and 12th standards.
Because they are going through so many things ना, उनको आगे future का भी करना है, board exams भी देने हैं, and parents are too very much occupied with other thing, with their things as well. और इस टाइम पर आकर वो पेरेंट्स का कम ही मानते हैं, टीचर्स का ही करेंगे. सो दे हैव अ गुड, बेसिकली दे हैव अ गुड बॉन्ड विद द टीचर्स, है ना. सो वहाँ पर वी हेल्प देम, हैंड होल्ड देम, और वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप उनका प्रोसेस करते चले जाते हैं, एंड द जर्नी बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर देम एज वेल.
Great, ma'am, great. Okay, so next set of questions. Very, there are a lot of misconceptions floating in the air around, specifically for the online teaching. So let's break a little bit of them.
We are ready.
All right, starting with Neha, ma'am. One misconception that you would want to break for the online learning.
All right. So there is a misconception that online teaching is passive. Ki students are just sitting in front of camera and teachers are just speaking. So
One of the
course
major ones.
Not. So at the class of 1, at least I can say that the teaching, the online schooling is totally dynamic and flexible and interactive. Because here only, as Kriti ma'am said, only the teachers are not speaking. They have to be interactive. Again, same presentations, feedbacks, online quick feedbacks on the spot. On the regular basis, we have PTMs. Then, like just after the class, the teacher, whatever the fed about the student was not active, so quickly the teacher can respond to the parent that the child is not active today. So we have regular PTMs, instant feedbacks, if I say. And moreover, online teaching is a transparent teaching, right? So it's whatever happening in the class, the parent is looking at it. So whatever the teacher is teaching, how active the child is, it is totally transparent. ऐसा नहीं कि क्लास में कुछ हो रहा था और घर आके बच्चा कहता है आज तो मैम को मैंने 10 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिए. ऐसा नहीं है. Everything is very much transparent. Digital education is now not the future, it is the present. Right, and this is what we all are experiencing. So this is totally dynamic. Quick changes are there.
It is changing my thought process towards it. One misconception that you would break, ma'am.
Because I am dealing with pre-primary and primary kids, तो मुझे 2 चांस चाहिए.
Sure, ma'am, take as many.
So first one is like, people say online school real होता है. So yes, excuse me everyone, dear listeners. Online, yes. Have you seen a teacher doing phonics while juggling screen and dealing with 20 tiny humans and still managing to save R for rabbit, not R for rocket ship. Okay, and yes, online school is real. Lessons are real. connections are real, homeworks and complaints are real. So online teaching, because we do story time or yoga session, dance session, art session, all from 13-inch laptop. So everything is real, and online school is not a substitute, it's a future, as Neha ma'am said. एंड द सेकेंड वन, अभी मुझे आते हुए किसी ने पूछा कि मतलब वी आर डिस्कसिंग, बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम से ऑनलाइन स्कूल के बारे में ही चल रहा है, तो मेरे दिमाग में आया है, तो अभी किसी ने मुझे पूछा कि डिसिप्लिन होता है क्या, तो आई सेड येस. नहीं, यूनिफॉर्म्स भी नहीं होती, आपके स्कूल में बैचेस भी हैं, तो आई सेड yes, we may not have uniform, we have different batches, but yes, the class of one, discipline is the priority. बच्चे अपनी अपनी प्लेसेस पे होते हैं, दे आर वेयरिंग उनके मन पसंदीदा कपड़े, बट येस वी हैव ID कार्ड्स विच गिव्स अ सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड बिलोंगिंग. तो yes, uniform, whether it is uniform or pajama, learning is happening.
That's great, ma'am. Kriti ma'am, one
So-
misconception.
I would just add on to Vibha ma'am's point that class discipline. Since they think that in online school, student is attending the classes from anywhere, right? Anywhere part of the world, be it a remote place, any different country. So before starting the classes, we make them disciplined in a way, because since we are using an online platform, so we tell them that before starting the class, you are not supposed to interrupt the teacher. When she is starting the lecture, or you will not disturb your classmates through chat box or through reactions or something like that. So we are preparing them for the future. It is not just, it is temporary, okay, so it's an online school, we'll just study and then it's over. No, not just studies. We are making them ready for their college admissions also, their choice of universities, everything, to be a responsible adult. So it is not a temporary phase that an online school is, it is future ready school. And as Neha ma'am has already told, it's a present now.
Yes.
Great, ma'am. Great. Okay. This is something, which might be a little hard from your end. One memorable moment that you had with your students or anything in your world of education.
All right. So there are many, of course, but to start with, the best day, the Teachers' Day. So we used to receive that gifts, chocolates, pens, and many more. Have you thought of receiving a gift from a person sitting at place A and gifting me a virtual tree? She has gifted a virtual tree, virtually she planted a tree for me to a place B, and I am sitting at a place C.
Wow.
Right. So that virtual tree plantation, on my name, Google, I can see a tree planted at a place somewhere in I think Rajasthan. On my name, she gifted me that on Teachers' Day. I think that was a beautiful moment for me. That was a surprise for me, which I received. I was like, oh, that was an awe moment for me. Wow.
ये तो environmentalist का भी काम हो गया. You'll be getting a lot of applause for this thing.
Correct. And of course, I'll share one more. There was a student of mine in class 10th, and he was very fond of music classes. So after the school, he joined a music school, and the first song he composed was dedicated to, guess what? Of course, me. So I think that's the beauty of teaching. That's what we actually looking for. This is what we earn as a teacher. These
The
are
rewards.
Right. So these are the two memorable moments. There are many. I'm saying if I'll start, there's a list, long list. So I think these are the best ones.
Wow, ma'am. I am still in that zone. वो tree कहाँ पर होगा?
And you know what? I can regularly check on that. कि वो कितना बड़ा हुआ, कितना grow कर गया.
Really?
And anytime I can go and check that tree there.
That's really awesome.
That's all about online, sweetheart.
Yes.
Vibha ma'am, your most memorable.
Okay.
moment.
There was a child who gave me proudly a virtual gold star by holding up, a star stickers to the camera, and he was saying, "You are the best teacher, ma'am." And वो एक moment था, sweet moment, जो मुझे लगता है कि बस इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And another one, student's sibling, crashed the class with, a superhero costume and shouted, "I am here to save learning." और पूरी class हंसने लग गई. And I think that was the cutest brain break ever. तो मुझे लगता है कि these are the, memorable moments जो हमें एहसास करवाते हैं कि connection is actually real.
I can vibe that. Kriti ma'am, yours?
So basically, I'm a mathematics teacher, right? So most of the students fear maths.
I too.
I know that.
Your face reveals that.
I will remove your fear. Don't worry. You just attend the class from me. So basically, there is a student in class 8 where I teach maths, and she's a shy and introvert student, but she's very good in sports. So what we teachers, the main responsibility of teachers is to make students comfortable. And in an online school where we can see students students from all over the parts of the world at one place, where you have students who are very vocal, you also have students who don't speak at all. And it is the responsibility and duty of the teacher to have a balance in the class where the vocal student is there, but the student who needs to speak a lot should participate more. So there is that student who was shy, but little by little, daily by daily, she started loving maths and she started sharing answers also. I don't have to call out her name. She herself raises hand and then answers. And it develops a bond actually. It's an emotional bond between a teacher and a student, that what a teacher wants to achieve, we can see it in front of her eyes. And you won't believe, when she won the district level championship for sport, so she WhatsApped me the medals and the certificates, and I said, "Congratulations." Then I thought she'll stop, because hardly students interact with teachers in teenage years, right? They are in their own world.
Correct.
But she goes to gym regularly, and she's till now, she will WhatsApp me, "The ma'am, look here, I'm at my gym and building my muscles. I did this today, I did that today, tomorrow this and that." So a student sharing a daily routine with a teacher who just started teaching that class for 1 month, it's a huge thing for me.
You've really opened her up.
Yes.
Basically,
can
she's
see.
motivating Kriti ma'am for gymming and for making her.
But do I need to do that?
For being healthy? It's
Huh,
not
yes.
only about making body, dear.
Yeah, that is true. I'll work towards that as well.
All right, facilitators, you have been really great on this. And of course, after seeing this podcast, many new people would be liking to, turn up into the online world of education. So, one tip, just one, you can add in more
So-
tip for them.
I would say adaptability to new technologies, because right now we are in our artificial intelligence era. So we have to be adaptable to new technologies, to learn, to evolve, and also a team-based approach to work in an organization. It's very important, because what we coordinators are sitting here, the online school, whatever we are today, we are in our 4th year, is just because we have a strong and a dedicated team. So teachers who want to join our organization or in an online school, they should have that team-based approach.
True. That is very true. In any of the fields you talk about,
Yes.
team support is
Very
something that you require.
And not shy away from learning new things, new technologies.
Correct.
We are all there to support and help. So they should be also ready to accept it.
Thank you, ma'am. Vibha ma'am.
Okay, so keep it simple and keep smiling. Do not stress being perfect, because online school is about connecting, not controlling. बिगिनिंग में थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाहट होता है बिकॉज ऑनलाइन है, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली डेफिनेटली यू विल लर्न एवरीथिंग. And yes, make friends with mute and unmute button early on, because it is your best buddy. And most importantly, enjoy your journey. If you will enjoy, your student will too.
True, like we are. Okay, Neha ma'am.
So if I say, so it's a proper school, starting from morning meetings, your assembly, prayers, thought of the day, with proper classes, celebrations, examinations, everything. So you should be adaptive to new technology, as Kriti ma'am said, along with all the regular features of a physical school. So everything is there, but online.
On screen. All right. This brings us to the last set of today's this podcast. That would be the rapid fire. So facilitators ready?
Yes.
Okay.
अपनी सीट बेल्ट बांध लें.
Okay. So it will be quick. I'll be asking question one by one from all three of you, and rapid fire. So quick answers.
Okay.
Okay. So starting with Neha ma'am. One word to describe online schooling.
Revolutionary.
Okay. Laptop or tablet? Your favorite teaching tool.
लैपटॉप माई जादुई छड़ी.
Okay. Best thing about teaching online.
I would say flexibility and creative freedom.
Well said. Breakout rooms or live polls? What is more fun?
Live polls, instant energy, instant feedbacks.
स्क्रीन पे इमोशन समझाना समझना मुश्किल है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. स्क्रीन पे इमोशन समझाना एंड समझना बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है. वी फील इट एंड यस वी रिएक्ट.
Your go-to phrase during the classes.
Oh, that is my favorite phrase, that let's learn something new. We are here to explore something new,
And anyone would like to do that.
especially in maths.
Most creative student excuse that you have heard.
Oh, ma'am, my dog stepped into the keyboard and closed my Zoom or uninstalled Zoom. So that was the excuse I heard.
हमारे में होता था वो dog ate.
Ate it. Now stepped
homework.
on the keyboard.
Notebook.
New
Test
technology,
papers,
na?
Test papers for the
Test
maths.
papers now.
Okay. Then most unexpected movement in the life class.
Student parrot, came and said, next slide please.
Parrot said.
हाँ.
Parrot.
Yes. Parrot.
तो real मिठू आ गया आपकी
actually.
क्लास में. Okay. One skill that every online teacher must have.
I've told this earlier also. It's adaptability. So they have to be adapt to the new technologies. They should have this skill.
Pajamas or the in your classes, a big yay or nay?
Yeah. But just from the lower, from the waistline.
Okay. Your dream virtual field trip destinations, ma'am.
Louvre Museum. Imagine students are exploring art from home.
True. One tip that you will give to new online teachers apart from that adaptability.
Eye contact.
Very
You have
much required.
to, yes, you have to make eye contact with the camera, because you are sitting in front of the camera and students are watching you. If you're watching here and there and teaching the students, it won't work. So you have to make an eye contact with the camera. It builds a real connection.
Correct, ma'am. Most used phrase in online classes.
Please unmute yourself.
How do you celebrate kids' achievements online?
We have virtual cards, we have emojis, we have celebrations. We are doing celebrations, so we have many kinds of emojis.
So emojis work there also.
Yes, they are giving me, they are very tiny dots na, so they are giving me heart like this. And ma'am, जिस दिन जैसे classes में physical school में होता है, मैम आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, तो they are giving like this, वो express करना उनका.
Wow. If online teaching was a color, what would it be?
I would say orange. First of all, it's energetic, vibrant, and full of warmth.
Which do you prefer, recorded lessons or live?
Live classes, because that real connection is mandatory.
That I miss in those YouTube tutorials and all. An online class moment that that made you emotional.
As we have kids from many countries, जब बच्चे बोलते हैं मैम मुझे आपके साथ पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, that was the moment.
Best background that you have seen in a student video.
Oh, there are a lot of backgrounds. Like, I can't name anything because there are backgrounds which I cannot mention here. But one student background, because she has an interest in art, so she made a painting. Like we have it here, like this. So it was a beautiful fort with fairy lights.
Wow.
So the entire background was so beautiful. I spotlighted her the screen, and the classroom was looking completely different. It was so beautiful.
You went into the fairy world.
Exactly. Other backgrounds I cannot talk here.
That's okay, ma'am. Online staff meetings. The video is mandatory or it is okay? Negotiable?
No, it should be always on. Let's show up, maybe in comfy clothes, but let's show up.
One snack that you couple up during your meetings or maybe.
I'm tea lover, so chai obviously, and it's a teacher fuel.
It's a fuel for entire India. Ma'am, last. Your favorite student's reaction in the class?
Of course, it has to be that wide-eyed wow when they've understood the concept. So that is the best reaction for a teacher. The wow, I finally understood the topic. That is for me. Okay.
Don't be scared. It would be very quick questions that I'll be asking you some snappy moments. Wow, ma'am. That's really commendable. All right. Vibha, ma'am, moving towards the last set of a few questions. There is this thing that I personally feel like, that we need a connect, like we are meeting right now. What about that kind of connect that you need to build with the students?
Connection, if you are talking about connection, yes, we have connection with children as well as with parents. While I teach from one side of the of the camera, the other side definitely they are their parents, and it's truly a teamwork. So we are always appreciating for that. And yes, connection, if you are talking about, yes, we are doing virtual tours, we are doing meetups, जैसे physical school में होता है ना, बच्चे पिकनिक पे जाते हैं, तो here also we are doing regularly
Picnics?
Yes, we are doing, and you cannot believe, एक incident में I want to share. हम लोग बच्चों को पिकनिक लेके गए थे, and उनके parents, they don't know each other till that day. But yes, उस दिन उन लोग, अच्छा आपका बच्चा भी इसी स्कूल में है, and they were like, अरे मतलब वहाँ पे पेरेंट्स का भी मीटअप हो गया था. वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग मोमेंट था फॉर अस. और यस, ये कनेक्शन है पेरेंट्स और बच्चों के साथ.
Wow, ma'am.
ये वही पेरेंट्स थे ना जो सेम कॉलेज में थे और बहुत टाइम बाद मिले थे,
बहुत टाइम बाद मिले थे.
बिकॉज ऑफ द किड्स. सो दैट मीटअप वाज नॉट विद द किड्स ओनली.
So you got the college reunion done in your picnic itself.
और ये सिर्फ मीटअप्स ही, ऐसा नहीं कि साल में एक बार या 2 बार करते हैं, रेगुलरली करते हैं.
हमारी तो एक पिकनिक होती थी.
नो नो
बस यहाँ पे आप हर महीने पिकनिक होती है. और नॉट इन जस्ट मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज, वी हैव इट इन small cities also, where we have lots of parents and students, and they really enjoy it.
Actually,
Anyone?
Because
Who
it's
does
not
not
just
like picnics?
just coming together and having a conversation. No, we plan recreational activities also during those meetups. That is the main objective. Because मिलने के लिए तो कोई भी मिल सकता है, लेकिन जब हम plan करते हैं तो it is with a full plan, where the students, they are meeting for the first time, right? Hi, hello, but what about that awkwardness? How will you remove that? So we plan these meetups as well, with a lot of recreational activities. So the parents also enjoy, students also enjoy, teacher also enjoy. So first time when we did this, it was super duper hit. So now though we do it every 2 months, 3 months, and same places also still parents come.
Actually.
They are getting used to it. They are
Yes.
enjoying themselves.
Yes.
और फिर अपने पुराने फ्रेंड्स से कौन नहीं मिलना चाहेगा?
और पेरेंट्स भी पूछते हैं मैम कब होगा ये पिकनिक, अगेन नेक्स्ट कब होगा, सेम टाइम.
Wow, that's really superb. Wow, thank you so much, facilitators, for giving me all this insight. Okay, so viewers, we have got a lot of insight into their world of online learning and online teaching, specifically with the class of 1. So, if in case, like me, you have, dived into their world completely and want to get a complete insight into how they teach the topics that they have told, you can check the description, which is given in the link that is given in the description below, so that you will get a free demo.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can get that demo and you can learn more about the organization, how they actually teach, and if you want, you can get your child enrolled. I think also get enrolled.
Yeah, definitely. You will
I
get.
want to learn French. Thank you, facilitators, for being here. And again, the viewers, we have mentioned the link in the description. So if you wish, please go ahead, book your slot and get a demo from these facilitators. And maybe, you never know when you change the world around you, or maybe someone who is in dire need. We'll be back soon, maybe with few more faces.
Yeah.
Or maybe with them. Let's see, and see you really soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, facilitators.